rebel friends for a breakfast at Antipolo. Alain nyo, second time pupunta ng Antipolo. Last time ko ata nagpuntang Antipolo, I was college. Umigimik pa ng gabi. So ngayon, I'm a solo rider. Came from Parañaque and going to Marikina. My first time to ride itong route na to. Na nakamotor. Anyway, paga nagising, maaga ko madalas 5:30. Time check 5:37. Still dark. Late na ang sunrise ngayon eh. Pero ang sarap kasi malamig. So I'm wearing a reflectorized vest. Dahil hindi pa kami nakakabili ng mais-ayos na reflectorized. So ang ginamit namin eh yung natira doon sa aming construction dati, which is napakamura lang, sa halagang 70 pesos. May reflectorized vest ka na, diba? Kasi madilim, para mas madali tayong makita. Kaya nga sabi ko, safety first. So mamaya pwede na natin tanggalin kapag umaraw-araw na. Ay! Shucks. Okay, hindi ko alam yung pupuntahan natin eh. So, sana hindi ako i-feel ni Waze. Tatakbong tsabi lang kasi medyo madilim, mahirap makakita. So, thank you to Racing Rail for my aux lights sa aking Rebel. Ayan, kitang-kita ka ang daan. Kita na naman ninyo. Kung wala yan, siguro mas mahirap mag-ride sa gabi. Kaya importante magpakabit din kayo ng mga aux lamp. Ayan, kita nyo guys. Yung daan, kasi yung headlight natin, malayo yung reach. Yung baba ng dinadaanan mo, hindi mo na halos makita. Pero, yan o. O, diba? Almost there na sa ating meet up according to Waze, 4 minutes. Papunta na tayong Marikina. Alright guys, we're at Pugon. There's a lot of lady riders tsaka riders here. Ay, teka. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. First time, meet up place dito sa Shell. Ayan. Kita nyo, ang dami. Grabe, meet up place nila itong Shell. Oh. Ang dami nila dito. Nakakatuwa sila tingnan. Okay guys, we're here at Maura's place. in Antipolo. Here's the place. There you go. So we're with Kimco like scooter, guys. So ayan. So check out the place inside. So first time ni Inday sa Antipolo. Talagang binahay natin umisay ng 5:30 maaga. Nakita niyo naman gabi pa. Parang madilim pa nung umalis ako sa bahay. So ikutin natin yung place kasi ito just opened last November. So bagong-bago and it's a beautiful area. Ayan. Lapit lang sa city. Very nice. Okay, with Rebel Lady Grace. And we are with a group of Kimco like scooters. Ang cute, ang gaganda ng kulay. Yan. So I like most of this one. Parang pearl green. Love it. Kitang-kita. Yeah, nice. Nice mug. Oh, na. Nice tires. Very nice. Oh, ayan guys. Naririnig niyo yung mga tilaok ng manok. Parang probinsya, diba? Tapos, the place is so quiet and serene. So, kung you wanna breakfast ride, this is a good place to go to. Kasi, you can see the overlooking of the city. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero, first time ko dito, and the weather is very cold. Siguro, it's because it's January. But, ang sabi din ng mga management and may-ari dito, this house used to be just a rest house. And then, nobody is using it. Walang gumagamit. Naisipan nilang i-open to public and make it a resto so that they can share the view of this location and the place. So, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. They follow, there you go. So, they follow a protocol here. Temp check. Register with the alcohol. There you go. Here is Miss Mela. Good morning! This is the place. Hi po! Hi! Ayan. Maybe Miss Mela, you can tour me around.
Okay. I can tour you around, ma'am.
So how this started po ba? Paano siya nag-open? This started lang November na po?
Late November after Ulysses. Wow. After Ulysses started. So
wow.
These are just a
rest house before.
Rest house of our friend, and then we joined together, and we want this to share to everyone the beauty of nature,
yes.
and also to meet more people who are food lovers also.
Of
like
course,
us.
yes. Like me who mahilig kumain.
Yes.
So do you have upstairs pa?
Yeah, we have upstairs, but upstairs is not yet ready for Airbnb. Eventually,
you have din po Airbnb.
Yeah, eventually, yeah.
So that's nice. So parang distressing away from the city, but not too far.
But not too far.
Kasi ayan lang, 'di ba, makikita.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, so wow.
On the opposite side, these are the mountain view. Greens and mountains. And
nakaka-relax, Mamela. Oh, look at that.
This is the sunrise side.
This is the sunrise side. Wow.
Sunrise side.
Pwede pala mag-honeymoon ulit dito.
Yes, yes. And without the stress of traffic and
super lapit lang po, 'di ba?
Yes.
And nice. So inside, you have palang bed and breakfast, parang ganun po.
We only have 3 rooms, but the biggest room we convert it to dining area because we're maximizing all the spaces for social distancing.
Oh, you made this a dining. Oh, this is also nice.
Area. A dining area.
It could be a private area po, no?
Yes, yes.
Can you serve it?
All of the sides are with sliding doors, so parang outdoor na din.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is perfect spot. Oh, guys. Ang ganda. You can see the city from here. Oh. Wow. What a view. Grabe. Yan guys, what a view. Oh, Inday, in Antipolo. Look at that. Look at that.
So, diners on the second floor will have their own balcony.
So, what are your operating hours po?
Our operating hours right now, at this point, is 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock
in
the morning for the all-day breakfast.
Yes.
And then we reopen in the afternoon for people to view the sunset. The magnificent
The sunset is in this
side.
side. Ayan guys, sunset area to. 5
5 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
o'clock.
So, kung meron kayong iti-date, maganda yung location. Kasi you have the balcony, oh, di ba?
Yes.
Tapos overlooking the sunset. Ewan ko nila kung di ka sagutin ng naman nililigawan mo, di ba?
In fact, we're receiving a lot of events, anniversary, birthdays,
Yes.
weddings,
Nice.
and even proposals. Yesterday, I got a call
For a proposal.
for a proposal.
Wow, oh sweet.
And the way we operate, syempre, pauso na rin with the technology.
Yes.
Online reservation.
Wow! If some riders would want to visit your magnificent place and view, so they can just reserve,
Yeah.
mag-reserve po. Kahit
Yes.
maaga pa siya, okay
Maaga pa
lang.
siya.
Basta
Yes.
maaga ang
Yes,
reservation.
basta maaga reservation and minimum of 10 people.
10 people. Ayan guys, so if you're gonna plan a group ride and you want to have breakfast with this awesome view, kailangan mag-online registration muna kayo and minimum of 10. They will open their doors for you. Hi guys! Say hi! Good morning! O, ayan, kasama namin, the Kimco Light Group. Kimco Girls and the Laloys. Hello! Ayan, o. O, so girl power kami dito, dumadami na kami. And of course, our bossing. Hi! Nahugasan mo ba mabuti yung motor kahapon? And hi, JR, Greg, Ren, our friends. Oh, look like they're dating here, oh. Look at the view. +1. With the +1. Ayan. Ayan, this Grace, our Rebel Grace. Because of her, nandito kami. Mainit na coffee dito sa ganyang view. Oh, diba?
yeah.
Ang saya! Ang lawak ng natin. Kita ko babahay niya dito. Actually, bahay mo ayun doon. Ayun, dun kami galing. Dun, layo. Thank you. Thank you, Grace, for bringing us here. O, diba? This is her side. Now, I realize, ang layo pala ng binabiyahe mo when you're going to the south. Pag pupunta kayo sa south, malayo nga. Dumaan ako ng C5 kanina. Napakaganda ng daan. Kaya na-feel ko si Grace at saka si Jason kung paano sila pag lumuluwas sa south, guys. But anyway, this place is worth going to, guys.
Oh, yeah.
So take your time to visit this place. There you go, guys. Antipolo. Wow, what a view. 180 degrees. Just had your breakfast. Sarap ng mga food. Malaki serving. There you go.
Hi everyone, I'm Mela. I would like to invite you to visit Maura's Place by Mela and Mai, so that you can have your weekend escapade and a memorable anniversary, birthdays, and wedding celebration.
Yon, guys.
See you!
So, ayan guys,
I would like to
visit
share the beauty of nature.
Yes.
Okay, thank you!
Thank you.
Ma'am Inday.